at Cornwall that Johnny Reb did slay. All for the Southland they wanted to say. Here they sweated blood, these men in gray, hoping they could silence Billy Yank someday. Through winter's cold and summer's heat they toiled side by side. Their work was very hard, but they did it all with pride. Johnny Reb at Cornwall, never lose your will. Fire that mighty furnace, the Southland needs it still. As the battles worsened, the troops were in great need. Workmen at Cornwall until your fingers bleed. The days at Cornwall grew very hard and long. Didn't matter to these men, Dixie was their song. That mighty furnace still stands today as a silent tribute to the gallant men in gray. Johnny Reb at Cornwall, never lose your will. Fire that mighty furnace, the Southland needs it still.